Next, we will start with exercise 11.2. In each of the following exercises 1 to 6, find the coordinates of the focus axis of the parabola. That is, you have to find out the coordinates of the focus, axis of the parabola, then equation of directrix and the length of latus rectum. 4 things you have to find out. So first question is y square equal to 12x. That means it is of the form y square equal to 4ax. So your figure will be like this. This is your y square equal to 4ax form. Here you have 12x, right? So if it is y square equal to 4ax, we know that equation of directrix will be what you will get. This is equal to x equal to minus a and focus will be a comma 0 if it was y square equal to 4ax. Now we are just comparing this with the given equation and then finding out what is a and all. Okay. So this is of the form. The question is of the form y square equal to 4ax, where you have 4a is equal to 12. So what will be a equal to 12 by 4, which is 3. So now you can write what are the coordinates of the focus, because here you have a comma 0, that means here you will get 3 comma 0 as the coordinate of the focus. Therefore the coordinates of the focus is given to be a comma 0 for the equation y square equal to 4ax. So here you will have is 3 comma 0. One thing. The next is axis of parabola. Again, axis of parabola means the axis which is splitting this into two symmetrical parts. So you can say that x-axis is the axis of symmetry. Okay, or axis of the parabola. So the axis of the parabola here is x-axis, or you can say y is equal to 0 if you want it in a equation form. Then next is the equation of directrix. The equation of directrix is how it is given, x equal to minus a. So here you will get x is equal to minus 3, or you can say x plus 3 is equal to 0 also. Okay, and the last thing is length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum is given by 4a. Length of latus rectum is equal to 4a, which is equal to 4 into 3 equal to 12. Already we have equated it to 4a. So here you have 4a as 12, or else you can just replace the value of a as 3 and get the value of length of latus rectum. Okay, these are the 4 things which you have to find out. Next, second question is x square equal to 6y. So it can be compared with x square equal to 4ay, and x square equal to 4ay is a parabola which is facing upwards. So you will get like this, x square equal to 4ay. Now if it is x square equal to 4ay, we know that the coordinates of the focus will be 0 comma a, and the equation of directrix will be y equal to minus a, and the axis of symmetry, or you can say axis of the parabola, will be y-axis. Okay, latus rectum will be same as this one, that is 4a. When you compare, you will get it. So we are just comparing. This is of the form x square equal to 4ay. So comparing with this, you will get where 4a is equal to 6, or a is equal to 6 by 4, which is 3 by 2. Okay. Now first thing which you need is coordinates of the focus. Which is equal to, how it is given, 0 comma a. So it is 0 comma 3 by 2. This is your focus, coordinate of the focus. Now next thing which you need is axis of parabola. What will be axis of the parabola? The axis which is splitting it into two equal or two symmetric parts. So this is your y-axis. Okay, axis of parabola is y-axis, or you can say x is equal to 0. The next thing is equation of directrix, and equation of directrix will be given as y equal to minus a. So you will get y is equal to minus a, which is y is equal to minus 3 by 2, or either you can stop here or you can say 2y plus 3 equal to 0 in the equation form. Okay, and the last thing is length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum is 4a, which is, again here you have that 6, or else you replace the value of a, you will get it to be 6. 4 into 3 by 2 will also give you 2 into 3, 6. Okay. Question number 3 is y square equal to minus 8x. So it can be compared with y square equal to minus 4ax, and the graph of, or the figure of y square equal to minus 4ax will be like facing to the left side, open towards the left side, like this. Okay, and again for y square equal to minus 4x, this is y square equal to minus 4ax. What will be the focus? How you are taking? It will be minus a comma 0, again in the left side of the x-axis, so minus a comma 0, and the equation of the directrix will be, what you will get, x equal to a, right? X equal to a, and what all things you need? Equation of the directrix, okay, then axis of parabola. Now for axis of parabola, this is splitting it into two parts. So axis will be x-axis, okay, or y equal to 0. Length of the latus rectum will be same. So since it is length, you will take only the positive part. So 4a will be 8, okay. So let's start with, this is of the form y square equal to minus 4ax. So you can compare, you will get 4a is equal to 8, where 4a is equal to 8, or a is equal to 8 by 4 equal to 2. So you got a as 2. So now you can just go for the figure, what all you have. First thing is coordinates of the focus is equal to minus a comma 0, which will give you minus 2 comma 0. Then you have to get axis of parabola, and the axis of parabola will be which axis? X-axis. Then equation of directrix is, equation of directrix is x equal to a. So here you will get x is equal to, what is a? 2, or you can say x minus 2 is equal to 0 also, either this or that, okay. And length of lateral rectum will be 4a, again it is 4 into 2, 8. So length of lateral rectum is 8. Clear? Question number 4 is x square equal to minus 16y. So it is of the form x square equal to minus 4ay. That means the graph of this parabola will be facing downwards like this. So this is your x square equal to minus 4ay. Now for this you have your focus to be 0 comma minus a, and equation of directrix to be y is equal to a, and you can just see your y-axis is the axis of the parabola, and the length of latus rectum will be 4a, which is 16. Okay, so we are just comparing. Given equation is of the form x square equal to minus 4ay. So this will be the type, and here you have your 4a to be 16, so that a is 4. Therefore, the coordinates of the focus will be, what is the form? 0 comma minus a, which is 0 comma minus 4. Now you have axis of symmetry. Axis of parabola is equal to which axis? Y-axis. Then equation of directrix is y is equal to a. So here you will have y is equal to a is 4, or you can say y minus 4 is equal to 0. And length of latus rectum is equal to 4a, which is again 16. Okay. So the question fifth one is y square equal to 10x, and it is of the form y square equal to 4ax. Y square equal to 4ax is a parabola which is facing to the right side. So this will be the form, and this will be the equation of directrix. Its focus will be a comma 0, x axis, y axis, and this will be x equal to minus a. Axis of parabola is x axis. Then latus rectum length is given to be 10. So 4a can be compared with 10. So you will get length of latus rectum as 10. Okay. So this is of the form y square equal to 4ax, where 4a is equal to 10. So a is equal to 10 by 4, which is 5 by 2. So a you are getting to be 5 by 2. Now, therefore, coordinates of the focus will be of the form a comma 0. So you will get it to be 5 by 2 comma 0. Then axis of parabola will be which axis? It is divided by the x-axis. So the axis of parabola is x-axis, or y equal to 0. Then next thing is equation of directrix, which is again x equal to minus a. So you'll get x equal to minus 5 by 2, or 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. And length of latus rectum is equal to 4a. 4a is 4 into 5 by 2, or 10. Okay. Question number 6 is x square equal to minus 9y, and this is of the form x square equal to minus 4ay. X square equal to minus 4ay is a parabola which is facing downwards. So its equation of directrix will be like this. So this is your x square equal to minus 4ay. So this is your y is equal to a, and here you will have the focus to be 0 comma minus a. Okay, now we can just compare. This is of the form x square equal to minus 4ay, where 4a is equal to 9, or a is equal to 9 by 4. Therefore, coordinates of the focus will be 0 comma minus a, which is equal to 0 comma minus 9 by 4. Then you have axis of parabola, which will be axis of parabola y axis, or x equal to 0. Okay. Then you have equation of directrix is y is equal to a, which is y is equal to 9 by 4, or 4y minus 9 equal to 0. And length of latus rectum is equal to 4a, which is equal to 9. Okay, so if you draw the figure roughly, it will be easy for you. Next is, in each of the following exercises 7 to 12, find the equation of the parabola that satisfies the given condition. So here you need to find out the equation of the parabola. Some of the things or some conditions are given in the question. Question number 7 is, focus is given to be 6 comma 0, and directrix, that is equation of directrix, is given to be x equal to minus 6. So when the focus is 6 comma 0, that is in the form a comma 0. A comma 0 means it will be on the x-axis, that is in the positive direction of x-axis. Suppose like this, right? So this will be focus 6 comma 0. Now equation of directrix is x equal to minus 6, means it is of the form x equal to minus a. So it will be here. So this is your x equal to minus 6. So you can guess that the equation of the parabola should be like this. or the graph should be like this, and the graph like this is of the form y square equal to 4ax. Now here again you can just see it is a comma 0, focus should be a comma 0, so that a is 6. So you can just substitute in the equation the value of a and you will get the equation of the parabola. Okay, so here focus is in the form a comma 0 and directrix is in the form x equal to minus a. Therefore, the equation of the parabola will be of the form y square equal to 4ax. So here while comparing you can just see that a is 6. Here a is equal to 6. Therefore, the required equation is, required parabola is y square equal to 4 into 6 into x, that is replacing a with 6. So you will get y square is equal to 24x, equal to 24x is the required equation of the parabola. Okay. 8.1 is focus is given to be 0 minus 3 and directrix is y is equal to 3. So for 0 minus 3, the point, that is the focus point, will be here 0 comma minus 3. That means the graph should be like this, facing downward, and the directrix equation is given to be y equal to 3. So it will be like this. This is your equation of directrix, y equal to 3. So you can say that the equation of the parabola, required equation of the parabola will be of the form, this is 0, 0, okay, will be of the form x square equal to minus 4ay. Now just comparing, that means you are getting a as 3, so that you will get the equation of the parabola also. Okay, so here focus is of the form 0 minus a and directrix is of the form y equal to a. Therefore, the equation of the parabola is of the form x square is equal to minus 4ay. Here after comparison, what you are getting, the value of a as 3. You are not taking that negative sign, only that value. Negative is already there, 0 comma minus a. So a is 3. Therefore, the required equation of the parabola is x square equal to minus 4 into 3 into y, that is x square is equal to minus 12y is the equation of the parabola. Question number 9 is vertex is given to be 0, 0 and focus is 3, 0. So drawing the graph, vertex is 0, 0 means this is 0, 0. Then focus is 3, 0 means it should be somewhat in the right side, that is positive x-axis, suppose here, right? So let it be 3, 0. So now you know that the equation or the parabola should be in the shape where it is facing towards the right side. So it should be like this. And we know that this type has the equation as y square equal to 4ax. Okay, now comparing with this, you get a as 3. So that you will get what is the equation. Okay, so the focus is of the form a, 0. Therefore, the equation of parabola should be of the form, will be of the form y square equal to 4ax. Now here a is equal to 3. So you'll get y, therefore the equation of the parabola will be y square equal to 4 into a is 3 into x. That is y square is equal to 12x. Okay. Question number 10 is vertex is given to be 0, 0 and focus is minus 2, 0. Minus 2, 0 means it is of the form minus a, 0. So it should be in the left hand side, or you can say left side of the x-axis or negative x-axis. So this is x, minus 2, 0 will be here. Vertex is again 0, 0. So that the graph should be facing towards the left side of the x-axis. That means like this will be the parabola. So that you can just say that the parabola of this shape facing towards the left side is of the form y square equal to minus 4ax. Okay. So since focus is of the form minus a, 0, the equation of the parabola will be of the form y square equal to minus 4ax. Now what is a? A is 2. So you will get, therefore, here you have a is equal to 2. Therefore, the equation of parabola is y square equal to minus 4 into 2x, which is minus 8x. So the equation here. Question number 11 is vertex is given to be 0, 0 and the equation of the parabola is passing through 2, 3 and axis is along x-axis. So you have three conditions given here. Now vertex is 0, 0 means in all the four cases you have vertex to be 0, 0. So that is of no use. Next thing is passing through 2, 3 and axis is along x-axis. Now if it is passing through 2, 3, it can be either like this. 2, 3 will be somewhat here in the first quadrant, or it can be like this. Right? There are two options. The other two we can eliminate. Now again, axis is along x-axis. Along x-axis, if the axis is there, then you have only one option, which is your y square equal to 4ax option. Okay. So since the axis is along x-axis, the equation of the parabola will be of the form y square equal to 4ax. Now our purpose is to find out what is this unknown, that is a. For that you can use this, that is passing through 2, 3. Now since it is the equation or the graph of the parabola is passing through 2, 3 means it will satisfy the equation of the parabola. Okay, and hence we can get what is the value of a. Since the parabola passes through 2, 3, what you will get, you can replace your y with 3 and x with 2. You will get 3 square is equal to 4a into 2. That is 9 is equal to 8a. Or you can say a is equal to 9 by 8. Okay. Therefore, we can replace here. Therefore, equation 1 becomes y square is equal to 4 into 9 by 8x, which is y square is equal to 9 by 2x, or y square 2y square is equal to 9x is the required parabola. Understood? Question number 12 is vertex is 0, 0 and passing through 5, 2 and symmetric with respect to y-axis. Again, if you see vertex, it's again, it will be 4 of them are having the vertex 0, 0. Now passing through 5, 2 again gives you two options, that is it can be either like this or like this. Now which one you will choose, that will be decided by this one, that is it is symmetric with respect to y-axis. Symmetric with respect to y-axis means this. and it is symmetric here means this will be the equation which you need to choose. And what is this form? This is your x square equal to 4ay form. Okay, so you have to neglect this and you have to use this. Okay, so since the parabola is symmetric along the y-axis, the equation of the parabola, see actually along the y-axis only we are considering, means you can have in the upper part as well as the lower part, but since the point is through which it is passing is both positive, you don't have any option for getting a downward position, that is a negative part. Okay, the equation of the parabola will be of the form, which one? X square equal to 4ay. Let it be equation number 1. Now since it passes through 5, 2, you can just replace the value of x and y with 5 and 2 respectively in order to get the value of a. Since equation 1 passes through the point 5, 2, you will get 5 square is equal to 4a into 2, that is 25 is equal to 8a, or a is equal to 25 by 8. Therefore, equation 1 becomes, you are just replacing the value of a, so that the equation becomes x square is equal to 4 into 25 by 8 into y. That is, you are getting x square is equal to 25 by 2y, or 2x square is equal to 25y is the required parabola. Understood? 2x square is equal to 25y.